Hey, what is going on, guys? Today I have the finishing pieces to my exhaust. Yes, these are the $100 pipes off of eBay. No, I don't really care. I bought these because if I had to weld in mufflers, which is what I'm planning on doing, I'm going to do this without feeling too bad about it. So let's see how it fits up to the Speed Engineering exhaust. Now I'm obviously doing this in the worst lit part of the garage possible, which is okay. I got lights, I'll make it work. But now I'm going to transfer the hangers from the old exhaust to the new exhaust, and we'll get it up under the car. Not too far off, if you look. Right there. It kind of slides in place, honestly. It just has to, might need a little bit of persuasion, which is nothing that I can't do. Might have to adjust the hangers on here, but yeah, that actually doesn't seem that bad at all, to be honest with you. Let's see what the other side looks like. Alrighty guys, on to the other side here. It's definitely short by a little bit, especially after you push it in to the pipe. But other than that, I mean, it's almost like right there, which is awesome. But I just don't know how we're gonna finish up the exhaust, because this one is still hitting that, so I need to pull it over. But then there's a pretty significant gap in between these two. These two over here are actually touching right now as we speak. Alrighty guys, so now it is the next day, even though it's just the next clip for you guys. I sent my dad to Summit Racing since he works kind of close to there, and he got me some 3-inch to 3-inch adapters. So there's going to be no welding, absolutely nothing besides clamping these on and sticking them under the car. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, after a little bit of struggling, I was finally able to get the adapters on the pipes. Yes, they are a little loose. I am hoping that that's not going to come back and bite me in the butt and actually fully seal once I get a clamp on it and get it tightened down. But yeah, this one I'm going to have to play with a little bit more, probably bend the hanger or something. But yeah, that's it for now. I got to get the clamps coming on Saturday, so I'll catch up with you guys then. Alrighty guys, that wraps up this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. That thing sounds even better than it did without the pipes on it. I didn't record too much of fighting and getting it under there, but that's what you get with eBay parts. So it's on there. It's clamped up well. Let me actually take this and show you guys with a light how well it actually looks, because I don't think it turned out too bad. Oops, just bent the camera. There's the one part there with the pipe, and then the other. I got the pipes to be just about as even as possible, thankfully, and then that's what it looks like under the car. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.